Hello and welcome, I'm Chef Peter, professional trained chef. Today I will show you how to make a nice appetizer with brie cheese and raspberries. We bought some crescent rolls at the grocery store. You can use your favorite brand and they already come in triangles. What we're gonna do, we have here 4 ounces of cubed brie cheese with the skin on. We let it sit outside so it can warm up a little bit and it's easier to work with. We add to this about 2 teaspoons of seedless raspberry jam and blend it all together. Then we add 1 teaspoon of diced thyme. And the cheese, it's already very nice softened up. It's very easy to combine. You can use a whisk if you want to, or you can use an electric whisk or a little food processor, whatever's easier for you. You just want to combine all the ingredients together and get like a spreadable mixture out of it. We got our crescent roll dough already prepared. It comes in triangles and we cut it again in triangles. So we do half triangles and of a half sheet of the crescent roll dough. We got about 8 pieces here and we put just in the middle a little bit of our brie cheese and raspberry jam. And then we're putting on top of it 1 fresh raspberry. You should not go with the frozen ones or something. They don't have the same consistency. So I prefer to do it with fresh raspberries. There we go, we got this prepared. And then we just fold each corner into the middle. Now we got all of our crescent roll dough, triangles stuffed with the brie cheese and the raspberry ready to go. And we're gonna brush it with 1 beaten whole egg. The egg will give it a nice color. So these are all brushed now, stuffed with brie cheese and raspberry and ready to go in the oven. They will go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes and we will see how they turn out. Welcome back. 15 minutes are over and our crescent roll dough with the brie cheese and raspberries should be ready to take it out of the oven right now. We're gonna go see and look. It should be golden brown, nice and crispy. And voila. We got our beautiful crescent roll doughs with brie cheese and fresh raspberries with some thyme. The perfect finger food. You can grab it, take it up and eat it in one bite. Enjoy.